Hi, I'm John, and today I'm going to show you how to create an audit. First, let's log into Netgovern as an audit manager. From the Audit Management dashboard, click New Audit. Here, you can choose from one of three types. Forensic is a search-only application for security investigations. Random sampling is used for regulatory compliance supervision like FINRA. And compliance is the most powerful one because you can both search and remediate. Go ahead and select compliance. Now choose a location to store the content you'll remediate. And in most cases, that's the quarantine. In the Auto Info tab, give your audit a name and description, something to set it apart from the other audits on the dashboard. And don't worry about fields like audit class, type, and subtype. Those don't apply in this case. If you have an internal numbering system, enter the audit number here. Now let's select the locations and users you're auditing. We'll have to choose at least one location, but keep in mind that most users have data in multiple places. With compliance, it's better to be safe than sorry. And of course, you can always hit Select All if you really need to. Next, we'll select auditors. An auditor is someone who can view, search, comment, and tag within the audits assigned to them. You can remove an auditor right away by selecting the box beside their name and clicking Remove. You can also enter the date you would like to auto-revoke their access. And you can do the same thing for reviewers. Reviewers are restricted to only working within the search results that you assign to them. Lastly, you can create tags in the Tags tab to apply to audit results. Think of tags as a bookmark. For example, if you create a tag called PCI, you can apply it to any credit card data that turns up. You can edit these tabs at any time by returning to the Audit Management dashboard. Now, click Create and you're done. You're ready to start your compliance audit and collaborate with your security team to finish the job.